Hi, in this particular video, I will show you my living room tour for Christmas, or my Christmas living room tour, on how to make your space look expensive on a tight budget. If you want to see how I did it, just keep watching. Welcome to Mary Precious Jones Huntsville, a channel full of excitement. Okay guys, so here is the reveal. I have already decorated my space for you. So the only thing you have to do is sit back and relax and enjoy the video. Now I'm going to be showing you some of the items that I purchased. They are brand spanking new. And I will stop and pause and show you those items. So let's get started. Let's start off with this coffee table here. Here is a newly purchased item. This is my reindeer that I purchased from Marshall's for $12.99. And guys, I was not able to find another deer. But anyway, this is what I went on and picked up. I love that deer, okay? All right, let's go down to the Art of Living. This is a brand new piece that I picked up. Okay, I ordered this online and I love that Art of Living with White. A year of inspiration. And right here I have my beads laying across my book, which is bringing in that cohesive from the book. And I have the nice piece here that I picked up from At Homes. I purchased that on sale. Okay, and I didn't change anything in this area right here. I let everything stay the same, but I just came in and I got my black bowl here, and these are my ornaments, silver snowflakes that I put in that bowl, and that bringing out the elegant look. And guys, this is all done on a budget. Okay, just gonna give you a slow pan up, and I got a lot of vases in this area. Some of these pieces came from different places. If you are interested in a particular piece that you see on the shelf, I would be more than happy to let you know if you leave me a comment down in the description box, the comment box, I'm sorry. And guys, all of these pieces here are on a budget for a fraction of the price. So let's move along to my wall pictures. My color scheme on my couch was also matching the canvas. And guys, you don't have to go out and spend a lot of money. You don't have to add a lot of Christmas decor to your space to make it look Christmas. And here I have a lot of little whatnots on this shelves, bowls and ginger jar, and also I have another nice vase at the very top there. And guys, these pieces here was not that expensive. And let's move right along, coming down from my curtains. These are olive green curtains at 96 inches in length. So on the console table, I'm not going to talk much about it because I explained a lot of the items in my last video. If you have not seen this console table video, please go back and watch it, okay? All right, guys. Move on over to this area right here. So I made this space here look Christmas by adding a few pieces, okay? And I got my Christmas tree sitting on my London book that I purchased, okay? And this little beauty here, you just tap it and it lights up, and it does have 3 different colors. One more tap and there we are. Okay, so we are going to move down to the bottom here. This is a fairly new piece. Matter of fact, this is a new piece that you have never seen. And I picked it up from Ross. And before I move on, I never talk about my little ties here. I picked these up from, guess where? Temu. I think there was like $1.50 per set. And I ended up purchasing 3 sets of those. So I thought they was nice. Have little beads in the center. And they self-snapping. Let's get that together. There we go. Let's move on over to the love seats here. Here I do have my plush pillows on this love seat. And here are some nice pillows here that I picked up. I believe these are from like a yard sale. Yes. And this lady let me have these for like $3 each. And they are choppable. That's one of the reasons why I picked these pillows up. Reason why I purchased these pillows from her. And this pillow here came from the thrift store. And another reason why I picked this pillow up was it was choppable. But I love the fur on it. Very soft and plush. Let's move on over to my buffet here. And this is what my buffet is looking like. And this is what it's looking like without me having the lights on. But let me turn on the lights. And here it is with the lights turned on. I went on and I did my little DIY on this pine needle, little swag, or whatever you want to call this. And I added the pine cones and the magnolia bulbs. Right here, this area, this is where I came in and I added the sleigh. And the sleigh has the poinsettias, the pine cones, the ornaments, and the berries. And top it off, I added my little 2 Christmas trees right here. And I have 12 of these for like the 12 days of Christmas. And this is sitting on my books. And over here in this area, I do have my brassy sconces, brassy sticks, candlesticks. And I have my plant here nestled on these books that I did, along with another little pine tree. And this is what we got going on in this space right here. And that looked Christmas. Okay guys, I appreciate you for watching. You guys rock. I love you guys so much, and I appreciate everything that you have done for me throughout the years. So I just want to come on and give you my living room tour. And guys, I'm asking that you be safe out there. Pay close attention to your surroundings, because there are a lot of people out there that are just trying to get over. And I hope that you got some type of Christmas spirit from this video. Something to get you in the mood of Christmas. And if you guys have not started your shopping, now's the time to do it. Don't wait until it's too late. Okay, if you have not subscribed, I would love to have you to join the Precious family. All you have to do is click on the subscribe button. Leave me a comment, hit the notification bell so you will be notified each time when I upload another video. And give me a thumbs up and don't forget to share. Okay guys, I will see you in the next video. I will see you in the future, because guess what? Your future looks good on you. Merry Christmas.